Okay, so this is what the lights look like after I took them out of the box. My question is, how do I start this? Like, should I start at the top and work my way down? Or should I start at the bottom and work my way up? I'm really confused. I think I'm in over my head on this whole tree thing. So as I was just putting these lights up, it occurred to me that I should get green lights that are on a green string and not white lights on a white string, so that way they blend into the tree. So I feel dumb and I'm disappointed. So I guess I'm gonna return these and get some green ones because I did not think that through all the way, but that will be a project for a different day because that's not gonna happen today. But yeah, thankfully I didn't unbox both of them. I just unboxed the one and then realized that I need green lights, not white ones. Oh well, this is gonna be a learning process for sure. it doesn't really work, and it's like it broke. If you guys can see that, that part like will not go down. So I'm gonna return this. It did not work very well, and yeah, that was a waste of like $5. So I'm disappointed. Okay, so finally I finished the tree. It's been like 3 weeks that I've been working on this, but I finally finished it because I got the ornaments from my parents after Thanksgiving. So now it's complete. I may still get some more ornaments because it still looks pretty bare. It looks like it could use some more stuff, but let me give you a tour of the tree real quick. Okay, so let's start, I guess, at the base. This I got from Magnolia, Heart and Hand with Magnolia. I really like it. The only thing I don't like is that it's definitely more for like a real tree, not a fake tree, and it needs to be steamed, I think. But I think it's really beautiful. So I like that part of it. I just wish that it fit more around like the tree, the fake tree kind of thing, but still really pretty. This is like an overview with the lights on, and now I'm gonna turn them off because it kind of makes it hard to see the ornaments. Okay, yeah, that's better. So I'll just give like a quick up and down, top to bottom. We don't have a star yet. These are some of the ornaments. These are gem shore ornaments. Sorry, I'm like pointing way up. Okay, these are like gem shore ornaments. If you see these, those are like my ornaments that my mom got me for every year that I've been born until 18. So those are those. So if you see that, that's what that is. Okay. Then we've got these. And that's like our fake star. Okay. Oh, and this turns on. Let me turn this on real quick. So there we go. So that turns on and it like sparkles, that little thing. So that's super cute. Okay, here's some more ornaments. think this one is one of my favorites of the Gem Shoreline. I just love the detail to this. Like, it's just so pretty, and it just has such like a fun personality, I feel like. Okay, and then all the way to the top. Whew, okay, I'm kind of up against the wall right here, so let me go out. And we have all those, and magnolias are like my favorite flower of all time, so that's why my mom just gave me this, because I'm absolutely obsessed with magnolias. I think they're one of the most beautiful flowers. Okay, and then here is this side. All right, and there you have it. That is our tree pretty much finished. If I do add more ornaments, I probably won't like show that. I just don't know. It looks a little bare to me. It looks like it could use a couple more ornaments because this tree is way bigger than what I'm used to. I may even pull some ornaments off of our tall tree and put it in here. I mean our small tree, not tall tree. But yeah, so it is finally finished. I'm super excited about it. I just wish that it was in a location to where we could see it more because it's behind the couch, so we can't exactly look at it all day, which makes me sad. But there you have it. That is our Christmas tree for the year. We'll see you guys next time.